If Lightroom Classic is showing the frustrating error loading modules message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Lightroom working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's start with the most effective solution first, which is resetting Lightroom preferences. This often fixes startup problems caused by corrupted settings. To do that, completely close Lightroom Classic, then hold Alt and Shift on Windows as you open Lightroom again. If you're on a Mac, use Option and Shift instead. Keep holding the keys until you see the Reset Preferences prompt, then click Reset Preferences. This will restore Lightroom's startup settings back to default and can immediately fix the error loading modules issue. If Lightroom still won't open properly, the next step is to disable GPU acceleration. Sometimes the graphics setting causes Lightroom to fail during launch. Once Lightroom opens, go to Edit, then Preferences, and open the Performance tab. Find the option called Use GPU and turn it off. After that, restart Lightroom Classic and see if the issue is gone. This step is especially helpful if the problem started after a graphics driver update or a system change. Now let's check for corrupt plugins. A damaged or incompatible plugin can also stop Lightroom from loading correctly. In Lightroom, go to File and open Plugin Manager. From there, disable all installed plugins temporarily. Then restart Lightroom Classic. If the program opens normally, you can turn the plugins back on one by one. That way you can identify which plugin is causing the error. Once you find the bad one, remove it or update it to the latest version. If none of those fixes solve the issue, you may need to reinstall Lightroom Classic. To do that, open Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer. Find Lightroom Classic, uninstall it, and then reinstall the latest version. A clean reinstall can replace missing or damaged files, so that's the files that are causing the module's error. After reinstalling, launch Lightroom again and check whether it opens normally. In most cases, one of these 4 methods will fix the problem quickly. I always recommend starting with the preference reset, then moving to GPU settings, then plugins, and finally reinstalling only if necessary. That saves time and helps you troubleshoot the issue in the right order. If this video helped you fix Lightroom's error loading modules problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.